Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you want to get to know how I got this makeup look, keep on watching. Let's begin. I recently purchased this set from Anastasia Beverly Hills Fluffy and Fuller Look Brow Kit, and I got the shade medium brown right there. The brow freeze is a mini one, so cute that is. The full size brow powder, and then it came with the number 7B brush. I'm just gonna apply the brow freeze. And then I'm gonna go in with the powder. It really helps just soften any of the like sparse areas. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Nars creamy concealer in the shade Macadamia. Now I'm gonna take the MAC ochre paint pot, and I'm also gonna bring it to the lid like as a primer. I want to play around with the cool tone colors. Probably this color in this palette, this TC and Buddy color. These two right here, it's more of like also cool tone. Moving on to like primers, I'm gonna use my all-time favorite one at the moment. It's the MAC Strobe Cream. For foundation, I'm gonna use the Makeup Forever, my favorite. And I use a beauty blender just to give it more like airbrushed. I'm gonna use the Nars one. Literally my favorite one. And then I do like to spot conceal. I'm gonna cream contour now. Go through this. I'm using a mixture of powders, mainly the Hourglass is what I'm using, and I definitely am sleeping on the Hourglass powder. Like, look at how even it made my skin. The smoothness under my eyes, are you kidding me? I'm gonna take the MAC powder to set the rest of my face. So I've been using this Huda Beauty Glowish bronzer. And I also like the Murillo twin collab. This one right here, like this one first, with the Murillo bronzer down here, right here. What I'm using is this color right here. This is from the Murillo twins collab as well. Really pretty blush. It's like a dupe for the Dior one. I'm gonna finish the lip off camera, and then I'm gonna come back on to show you my final look. Okay guys, so I just finished doing my lipstick. I used drugstore products on my lips today. So I went in with the NYX Souffle Lingerie lipstick in the shade LIPLI, because it's like a cool tone type of color. And then I went ahead and used this L'Oreal 984 color, like in the center, to make it a little bit more matte, to like intensify the like matteness. The last thing I need to do is set my face with some Fix Plus, so I'm gonna do that right now. But this is pretty much what my face is looking like. I'm just gonna take these down. Pretty much did my whole makeup on camera. And yeah, you guys saw everything. I just didn't show the lipstick because I take forever on the lips. And yeah, so let's